Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I want to take you through a complete guide to 3D Experience and SOLIDWORKS. I've been using SOLIDWORKS since around 2011 and I have been working in this field for more than 10 years across design, engineering, technical, support, training, and implementations. The information I'm going to share with you in this video is not just a quick overview, it is a result of a long research process because I wanted to solve a problem that many companies and SOLIDWORKS users are facing right now. There are a lot of questions in the market. What is the 3D experience? Is it replacing SOLIDWORKS? What is the difference between them? What is the X design, rules, tenants, product levels, and license types? And most importantly, if a company wants to buy SOLIDWORKS today, what exactly are they buying? My goal in this video is to bring all of these points together in one clear explanation. I don't think this information is usually explained in one place in a simple and structured way. That's why I felt it was important to break it down properly, especially now with the latest SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience updates. This video will be useful for any SOLIDWORKS user, any engineer, and any company trying to understand where SOLIDWORKS fits today, and how the 3D Experience platform works, and what options are available when choosing the right solutions. So let's start from the very beginning. Before we compare SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience, we first need to understand the source systems, the company behind them. Let's go to the laptop and let's start our presentation. Right now, a lot of companies are confused. They hear SOLIDWORKS, 3D Experience, X design, cloud services, rules, tenants, named users, product levels, and suddenly the simple question of which SOLIDWORKS should I buy becomes much harder than it should be. And it's not only confusing for new customers, to be honest. Even existing SOLIDWORKS users sometimes ask, is 3D Experience replacing SOLIDWORKS? Do I still install SOLIDWORKS on my computer? What is the difference between desktop SOLIDWORKS and cloud connected SOLIDWORKS? What is the X design? What is a role? And when I buy standard, professional, premium, or ultimate, what I'm actually getting. So instead of answering these questions one by one, I wanted to build the full story in the right order. That's why we will not start from the product straight away. We will start from the bigger picture, the source systems, the company behind SOLIDWORKS. Then we will understand the brands, the platform, the terminology, and only after that we will compare the SOLIDWORKS options. Because once you understand the structure, the buying decision becomes much easier. By the end of this video, my goal is simple. You should understand what the 3D Experience is, where SOLIDWORKS fits, and what options a customer can actually buy today.